Hello students, today we are going to study the unit called Environment and Ecology from the subject called Water Supply Engineering. Today we are going to study the contents like sources of water, underground sources, in that there are infiltration galleries, infiltration wells and springs. So we'll start with the sources of water. The sources of water is surface sources and underground source or subsurface sources. Now we'll understand what are these underground sources or subsurface sources. Infiltration galleries, horizontal wells. These horizontal tunnels with holes on sides constructed of masonry walls with roof slab to tap groundwater flowing towards rivers or lake. Shallow depths 3 to 5 meters along the banks of river, either axially along or across groundwater flow. Width is 1 meter, depth is 2 meters and length it will be around 10 to 100 meters. If large groundwater quantity exists, porous drain pipes are provided and they are surrounded by gravel and broken stone. Yield 15,000 liters per day per meter length. A collecting shore end of a gallery serves as sump from where water is pumped. Similarly, there is one more called infiltration wells. They are shallow wells constructed under beds of rivers. The deposits of sand exist at least 3 meters deep in river beds. As the water percolates down, impurities are removed. Quality of water is better than river water. They are sunk in a series in the bank of the river. They are top and open and bottom. Manuals are top for inspections. They are constructed of brick masonry with open joints, whereas infiltration wells are connected by porous pipes to sump called jack well. So now we'll know what are these, how this construction are been done. This is one type of underground source, where this is one type of infiltration gallery. On one side I have been shown you the pond or the river, and beside that there is a river bank, and below that we have been created a sand layer which will help in draining all the impurities from the water. It will be sent to the infiltration galleries. Next, you can take this water from tube well to withdraw the water, and we have a filtration unit also in this. The net shaped circular pipe you will be fitting to the main pipe, and whenever you require the water you can plug it from this hand pump. Similarly, this is one type of the infiltration well, where on both the sides you will be finding the sandy bed, or you might be finding one type of water soil bed. And till water table, if you find any type of water, till that you can get the water in this well. So in detail in this I can show this. So in from river you will get the water, and it will be seeped through this sandy or soily material, and it will start percolating through this masonry wall which is unbinded or unconstructed. We are going to just place the masonry wall, in the sense you will be placing only the rocks on these layers, and there will be no fillings in between the gaps, and the water will be percolated through this sandy or soily material Again it will percolate through this masonry wall and till water level, when atmospheric pressured level, it will be raised. The water will be raised and you can get the water using the hand pump or any type of machinery pumps. One more thing, we can collect these, means we can connect these all the infiltration wells to a common well where we call it as jack well, and here you can collect the water for a village or so. So we'll now go through the stream. What is a stream? In streams with sufficient fall, a hydraulic ram can be used to pump water to storage without using an outside source of power. Small surface of flowing water is lifted through greater head from valley to mountain tops or slopes. So this is one type of a stream where the water will be supplied from the small stream using the pump to uh, save the water on the overhead or uh, the mountain tops reservoirs. So this ends with the video. If you have any queries, please ask. Thank you.